In this video, today we are going to see about the calculation tags in the inSis calculation module. In the inSis calculation module, we have two types of calculation tags. The first one is ad hoc calculation tags. These calculation tags are used in the front end like info views, which are executed on demand by analytics engine when an info view is loaded. And the second one is backend calculation tag. Backend calculation tag is evaluated in real time at scheduled intervals, and the result is processed and stored in the selected historian. And also backend tags are created when we need to use this calculation in many times like reports, KPIs, etc. And also in this video we are going to see how to create a backend calculation tag, and also we will see the calculation definition window, how to see the calculation reference diagram, and how to verify the calculation. From the inSys admin page, let us click on the System Explorer. From here, expand this tags template and select the calculation tags template and expand that. From this calculation tag, select any one of the calculation tag. Let us select this tag and duplicate it by simply clicking on the option called duplicate at the header. Once the tag got successfully duplicated, then the tag will be highlighted in the red color as shown in the screen. Now select this tag and change the inSys object name as total feed consumption. Now copy the same and paste it in the inSys field object description. Now here the option called inSys object is enabled should always be yes. Once we enable this option, then the tag color will be converted. Now search for the tag that we have created. Expand this, click on the results, change the field based description, click on outside, then the tag, the description got saved successfully. Now from here, if you wanted to change the data type, we can change the data type from here. If you wanted to change the display format, we can also change the display format here. And also if you wanted to give the enumeration or the units, we can give here. And if you wanted to give the field high, limit low, plot high low, alarm high low, and field instrument high and low values, we can give those limits here. And the most important thing for the backend calculation tag is the calculation field expression. That for this case we have assumed that for the total feed consumption we need to sum the feed from the line 1 and feed from the line 2. Let us give the calculation field expression here. Now take A as feed from the line 1 and the tag as fi1501 dot pv dot value, and B as feed from the line 2 and the tag as fi1502.pv.value, and result is the summation of both A plus B. Now here we have given something wrong in the expression, so this error has been occurred. Let us verify it and rectify the syntax error. No, the expression is given in the correct form and it got saved successfully. Similarly, in the calculation module, we have an option called calculation definition window where we can give the expression for easy edit and verify the expressions. It also helps in inserting the functions, tags, and parameters in a user-friendly way. Now click on the calculation definition window. Now let us recreate the expression that we have given here. From here we can choose the functions what we want. Before that, these functions here need to be given in the backend, and also we have some built-in functions where we can use them, like we have some built-in functions like log, sine, max, min, etc. From here we can choose the tags that we want, and from here we can choose the parameters that we want. Now let us give the calculation expression for the total feed consumption here. Let us take A equal to tag fi1501.pb and click on this plus symbol, then the tag will get added here. And B equal to fi1502.pv and click on the add symbol, then the tag will get added here. Now result equal to A plus B. Now after completing the expression, click on the done, then this expression will be saved in the calculation field expression. Now if we wanted to see the reference diagram for the calculation expression that we have given, or for the better understanding of the calculation expression, we have an option called show calculation reference diagram. Click on that. Here, if we don't understand the complex expressions at sometimes, then this option will help us to know how the expression or how the calculation is taking place by using this option called calculation reference diagram. And also, if you wanted to verify this expression whether it is right or wrong and how it is getting executed, there is an option called show calc verification expression. So click on that. Here the expression that whatever we have given in the calculation field expression will be evaluated separately for the each expression from the last data point. Now, if we wanted to see the data for this calculation tag that we have created here, then navigate to data queue and here paste the tag that we have created and refresh it. Then we can see the value for the tag that we have created here. We have created the tag at 1056. So the value is getting from the 1056. Now get back to the tag and click on the execution. Here we can change the field B's description and also here we can give the execution field frequency. While giving the execution field frequency, we have to mention the execution field frequency interval type. If you are giving the 60 here, we need to mention the interval type like whether it is the 60 seconds or 60 minutes or hour. That interval type should be mentioned here. And schedule time will be used to set the result data point. And the execution field status will be ideal always. So this is how we can create a backend calculation tag in the inSis.